لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا أما بعد. My name is Aishan Khan Hafiz Khan. I study in Ajman Sami School, Primary School, Bangladesh. Today I am going to say something on this special occasion. Respected President, Honorable Chief Guest, all teachers and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of India. India is the land of festival. Independence Day is a national festival. We celebrate this every year on 15 August because we got freedom on 15 August 1947. Our dear freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. They went to jail many times. At last, they became successful in getting freedom from the hands of the British. We must feel proud to be an Indian. Thank you.